So I'm checking my app literally minute by minute. We are due for some cold temperatures, so we want to be vigilant, watch the weather. It looks like it's going to get pretty nasty out. So we want to protect our plants and just do what we can do. If we have potted plants, things like citrus trees, olive trees, tropicals, bring those in the garage or inside your home. They need the protection, because if we get into like the low 20s, it doesn't matter if you cover them or not. It's going to get below freezing under that cover. Our frost materials that are insulated keep you about 7 degrees, 6 to 7 degrees warmer. So if you do the math, we're still going to be below freezing even if you cover it. So out in your yard, if you have things planted, you have no choice. You need to cover those up just to keep the frost and the ice off of them. By all means, do that. Spray what you can with super seaweed. Let's not panic, but let's just do what we need to do. Protect your plants, your pipes, your pets. Do what you can. Insulate your sprinkler system, drain your sprinkler system, and join me on Saturday morning. Call and ask me all the questions. 281-833-3333.